This Guru Purnima is a celebration of seekers. And seeker revises his journey, reviews his journey, how far you have walked, where all you have come, what all you have experienced in life, and how many hurdles you faced and how many hurdles you have crossed, and what is your journey, where it's moving ahead. This review of one's journey and then rededication, the day to rededicate, review, rededicate, and then rejoice in gratitude. So these are the three things that Guru Purnima brings to you. The celebration is for rededication and rejoicing in gratitude. So every seeker, sadhak, has three phases or three modes or moods he goes through. The first mode is called Pashu Bhava, or the basic instinct. The sadhak wants to satisfy his basic instinct, his needs, want to get rid of misery. So one becomes a sadhak. Because a sadhak is seeking to be free, to get liberated. Liberated from what? From misery, liberated from lack, right? Lack and misery is what one wants to be free from. One wants to experience abundance. This you know when there is someone to take care of you, when there is the power, the divine, which is taking care of me. This faith is Pashu Bhav, or the basic bhav of mood. The second mood is Veera Bhav. Veera Bhav means the mood of valor. The first mood is that confidence that there is someone to take care of my needs. I'm concerned about my needs, right? So, but if you know that there is someone who is providing me, then if you are relaxed, you have comfort. You know, if you have dog at home or people who have horse, and the horse and dog, all the animals, they know their master is there and the master is going to provide them. That confidence they have, and there is certain loyalty. That loyalty and confidence is the first mode of sadhak. The second mode of sadhak is Veera Bhav. Veera Bhav is invoking the valor within you. Because life poses many challenges. Many challenges where your hope is shattered, your faith is shattered, your dreams get shattered. And in these moments, or your confidence gets shattered, you start doubting your own abilities, you start doubting your own progress, you start doubting yourself a lot, and you start doubting everybody else. That's only a reflection of the self-doubt. When these turmoil come, and when you go through this turmoil, when they arise in you, then you have the Veer Bhav, the valor. I will go through this. I will come out of it successfully. I will achieve this. You know, come what may. That valor, invoking the valor, is the second mode for a seeker. You know, first is confidence and faith. The second mode is conviction and a valor to move on the path. I will go through, come what may. You know, the Veer Bhav. And then the last one, the divine bhav, where you feel total oneness with the divinity. Sacrifice and dedication in Virbhav leads you to Divya Bhav, that is divinity, oneness with divinity, where you see everything as a game. The whole universe is just a play and display of consciousness, and not shaken, not moved by anything whatsoever. And nothing can take away the purity, serenity, and the love that you are. Sometimes one can say, "Oh, I am all love, but others are all bad." No. In Divya Bhav, you see the role of everyone else also divine, not just yours as divine, but you find every single role, whatever it is, as divine, as a game, as a play. That is Divya Bhav. You lead into that bhav, that mode, that mood. These three moods a sadhak moves in life as time as time progresses. That is it. But today we'll have few more bhajans, right? Another 10, 12 minutes we'll have. And today see people all over the world have joined in advanced meditation programs, and lot more have done the first basic program throughout the world. They're all rejoicing, have become good sadhaks, the seekers. Each one of you is so precious to the world. You have all have the spark of fire within you, spark of love, which you will spread to everybody around. This planet needs at this time hope, dedication, and love. Yeah? That's very good. Today, Art of Living has also launched Elements, a social media app in many languages, in 8 Indian languages, and soon it will come in Spanish and French and other languages also. Many other languages it will come. So, we are all connected, though through social media and this external media, but our connection is much deeper from the level of silence. Our connection is so deep from the level of silence, where words and mind cannot reach. That is the transcendental level of our connection, where even the words and mind retrieve. So we're all connected. Knowing that we're all connected, you can relax, repose, and be happy. Wonderful. We will have a couple of more bhajans.